Welcome to Velammal Bodhi Campus, a CBSE IIT NEET integrated senior secondary school, Kallakurichi. Velammal. Since 1986, it's highly honored to sprout out at Kallakurichi with the purpose of making the children flourishing in academic, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Salient features of our school: well-experienced faculty, digital and sophisticated classrooms, well-equipped labs for physics, chemistry, biology and computer science, a worthy library, Olo Kinder program for early grades, a VCR room for virtual learning, debate and elocution. To enhance core academics, we have foundation classes to train towards competitive exams like NEET, IIT and NATA, CLAT, SAT. For classes 6 and above, we offer junior IAS training, VB live sessions, VB careers programs, tech-savvy clubs, Vadiva Creative Lab, Pencraft programs, girls' ology programs and STEM education. To give scope for ACA activities, we offer Bharatam, Western dance, yoga, silambam, karate, calligraphy, art, chitravati, guitar, keyboard and drums. For sports enthusiasts, the trainers from Velammal Sports Academy handle games like chess, badminton, basketball, hockey, cricket, kabaddi and athletics. Above all, high standards of hygiene and safety is maintained. Be a proud parent by admitting your kids in the learning temple of Velammal Bodhi Campus, Kallakurichi. Admissions are going on for the academic year 2025-2026. Velammal Bodhi Campus, a CBSE NEET IIT integrated senior secondary school. NH79 Kallakurichi bypass, Tenkiranur post, Kallakurichi 606213.